All right, so we're going to start off with this one. It's going to be 1844. I'll replace all digits with characters. So basically, it's going to give us a string with a number in between each and every one. And basically, like, we're going to replace this number with 1 over. So if it's A, and then a 1, we're going to swap it out to be a B. So it'll be like A, B, C. And then same thing with this. If it's a 1, it'll be the next one. So D. So if it's just 1, it basically will just read the alphabet as it goes along. But if it's like 4 or something like that, or 3, it's like it's going to go a little further. So it'll go from C to F. You know, because that's 3 away. So here's what we're going to do. So I'm going to give it result equals list of S, because we wanted to get it in a list first. And then we're going to go for I in range, but we're going to start, because it's every other, we're going to start at 1. And then we're going to do the length of S here. And we're going to have it skip 2 because it's every other. So, and then we're going to join this. Character before, so the character that comes before it, we're going to make it to be si minus 1, and then we're going to have digit here equals int s I. All right, yeah, because it's right now it's in a string, so we want to make sure it turns into an integer, and then we're going to say result I, what we're going to return, equals, and then we're going to go character or word, then character before plus digit. So yeah, so this OR function right here, it's going to make it so it's like we're going to have like a, say it's like A or something right here. It's going to give us the char value for it, and then we're going to add that. We're going to add that digit to it to get a new char value, and then we're going to basically turn it back into a character with this function. All right, and then we're going to return, and then we got to join it because it's a list. All right. Sweet, sweet. All right, as C beats 100%. Let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to like and subscribe.